You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is p equals 19/11. Let's solve it step by step. Group all p terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract p from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 4/11 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the p. Divide both sides by 5. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is p equals 19/11.